2R2K. Let's go!
Yeah.
Babe, where you think we going?
Flight to Denver for dinner.
On a flight to Denver for dinner. Alright. No, it's not. We're not getting on the plane. Dang, I'm gonna have to step up. I'm gonna have to step up my date night. Okay, guess number 2. What's a dragon boat?
It's on my Instagram.
Okay, one more hint.
Can I guess first before I hit?
Yeah.
So it is.
Wait, do I have to tell you if you're right? If you guess? Okay, just guess. Just tell me.
Movie in the park.
What?
I don't know.
You just pulled that out?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Is that what it is?
All right, well, I guess you'll have to wait and see. Yeah. All right, we're almost there.
In half a mile, use the right lane to take exit 145. Turn left.
Street food cinema. So we're going over there.
You've arrived at your destination.
And you kind of got it right before. Because you said a movie at the park. And they're playing a movie tonight. And there's supposed to be food trucks.
Nice.
And you bring your chair, blankets, and watch the movie. Now, you get an extra special bonus if you can guess the movie. Based on the hint I gave you earlier.
What was the hint you gave earlier?
About tomorrow, like tomorrow, the meaning of tomorrow. So you said 2 things earlier about tomorrow. Tomorrow is number 1. It's what?
June 19th.
Which is known as,
Juneteenth.
and it's also
Saturday.
okay. It really has to do with number 1 though.
Does it?
So what is a movie that could be good for Juneteenth? Like an empowering, like. You don't know? All right. Well, you just find out when we get over there.
You've seen this movie?
You've seen it too.
I've seen this movie?
Yes.
And you've seen this movie?
Yes.
The whole thing?
Yes. Okay, you want to find out when you get over there?
Hold on, give me a second.
Well, let's go stand in line.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we're here. This is the movie screen. And and all the people for now. Have you thought about a movie?
I have not.
Would you like me to tell you? Oh, and here's the food trucks. So this is our food. It's kind of sunny. But these are the food trucks. We're about to go read menus and line up. I want a cupcake for sure. Okay, Aloha Fridays, barbecue, Philly, California, nibbles, charcuterie, flaming grains, bowls, cupcakes, and the last one I don't know. You know what the last one is? Yeah, that looks like something you order. Bowls. Right. Oh, burgers. Chicken tacos. Burgers.
I'm ready for that. To be honest with you. It's time to be.
Dogs here. A lot of dogs here. They're cute.
Yeah.
Alright, we're about to get in these cupcakes. Cocoa cupcake. We got a vanilla cupcake and a cinnamon toast crunch cupcake. Let's see how these are. Cinnamon toast. The vanilla is actually sweeter. It actually tastes healthy. I don't know to buy that one. Here, right there.
Communication devices to Korea. Unlimited range also